Not ride it. I wonder if I could pop a wheelie on it.
It's cool. It's supposed to go.
Let me try it.
See, I'm finna pause.
You gonna do it?
Yeah, he finna
It's
pause.
recording.
I almost lost my head, my face, my everything, my life. Yeah.
Why'd you go eat the ground?
Yee, Papa. Should have known it. He gonna take off. Man, yeah, what if he does some cool shit? Oh, here he comes. I was like, what if he does something fucking epic over there around the corner we don't even know? Is that him beeping?
Uh-huh, blowing the horn.
That's the horn. We hear you, beep, beep. Beep, beep, Richie.
Yeah, the front brakes, and I need pads, front pads.
Then you need an oil change.
No, you don't. You need them fixed.
Well, you think it's nice, ain't it?
Yeah, I loosened them up, so.
Hell yeah. Yeah, you almost ran me over a while ago.
I think I'm almost too heavy for it because it don't want to go very fast.
No, the battery's going dead.
Okay, is that why the horn was going?
That was.
Y'all hear me honking it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Okay,
it sounded like a
y'all hear it?
mosquito.
Huh?
It sounded